Hello everyone, welcome you all to my fifth video for this eCommerce application video series. And here in this video I'm going to show you how this forgot password is functioning in this sign in page. And for this eCommerce application, this is one of most important functions. Here this is forgot password method. And okay, so let's assume that I'm a user of this eCommerce application. I want to log in to this eCommerce application, but I have forgotten my password. So for that I am going to click this forgot password anchor tag, and I am clicking this. It says that we have to enter our email address. So I'm going to enter my email address, institutework678@gmail.com, and then I am again clicking this forgot password function. So by clicking this, a code is going to this email address we have entered to this email field, and it says that verification email sent. So we have to check our inbox. Then I am clicking OK. So then this is the code we have obtained to our email address, this institutework678@gmail.com, and we have to enter that verification code to this input field, and then here we have to enter a new password and we have to retype the new password. Then I am going to enter it. So then here this is a model. I have gained this model with the usage of Bootstrap framework, and also I have made some validations to this model to these input fields. So let's check about that. I am clicking this button reset, and it says that we have to enter our new password first. So I am entering another password as 12, and I am clicking this button again. It says that password length must be between 5 to 20. So then I am going to enter as 1 2 3 4 5 6, and again I am clicking this button. We have to re-enter our password. I am re-entering as 1 2 3 only. So it says that password and retype password doesn't match. So I have to match those two passwords. So it says that by clicking this button we can see and hide the passwords. By seeing this password you can see all these two passwords are same. So then I am clicking this button, and we have to enter our verification code also. That verification code is this that we have gained from our email, and I am entering it. So then I am going to reset. It says that password reset succeeded. So I am clicking this button OK. So then I am going to check my database, and by refreshing it we can see the password has been changed to the newest password we have added related to this email address. So I have to enter that newly added password to this password field in order to log into our eCommerce application. Okay, it says that invalid details because we have to refresh this. Then I am going to sign in. This is my email address. Then I am entering the newest password I have added to my database. So then I am going to sign in. So this is my home page. That means sign in process has been succeeded. Okay, so I am going to show you how the codings of this forgot password has been coded by me. So here in this index.php file you can see this is the anchor tag for forgot password, and by clicking that this onClick function calls, and this is forgot password function. In this script.js file this is the forgot password function, and here you can see I have gained the email field to this emails variable, and here I have passed the value of that email field to this forgot password process.php file via get method, and I have used here Ajax for transmitting this data to this forgot password process.php file. And here this is the forgot password process.php file. I have gained these 4 PHP files to this forgot password process.php file. This here the connection.php stands for the connection file. I have established the connection between database and this e-commerce application, and I'll show you before in my previous videos. But here this is the connection.php file, and forgot password process.php file. The next PHP file is exception.php file, and exception, PHP mailer, SMTP, those PHP files are for sending emails through our e-commerce application. I have used those PHP files, and here use PHP, and this is all these for stands for sending emails from our e-commerce application. And this is how I have made the validations, and I'll show you that validations. We have to enter our email address if that email field is empty. Okay, so here I have executed a database search also here, because if there is no any user with that email address, that user enters to that email field, so it says that no any user is available with that email address. Here email address not found is echoes, and no any email address, it echoes as please enter our email address. We have to enter our email address, and this is the process for sending an email. Okay, this is the way that I have coded for this forgot password process in this e-commerce application. And thank you for joining with me in this video also. Let's meet with another interesting video in the future. Until then, stay safe. Thank you.